Mouth.
Again?
Yeah, he caught him.
We found another little mouse. And the cats were looking for him, and Tiger had him in his mouth.
See, I knew it was suspicious when
Yeah.
all three of the cats were sitting there. I'm gonna take a picture.
He is so tiny.
That is so I'm gonna put that on the chat right now.
Look,
I know there's ants because the mouse ran into a bunch
I just hope that the ants are not eating him.
No, they're not. I caught the mouse. He ran into a trail of ants.
What are we gonna do? Where are we gonna put him? We have to put him somewhere. Are you gonna climb up?
Look at this tiny little hand.
Oh, we have to take him across the street. He has to have a chance to survive.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take him.
I'm so tempted to just poke it. Let me see. Touch your tail. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. Are you a male or a female? I can't tell. I really can't tell.
Oh, it's probably too tiny. Okay. Did you do it?
Yeah.
Is he there?
He's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Okay. Yeah, he's okay. Alright.
Go in the bush. It's so sweet.
Is he okay there?
I mean,
What if you push him into the bush a little farther?
this is an animal that's going to get eaten regardless.
Oh no.
There. He's in the bush. He's crawling in.
He's crawling in.
Yeah, there he goes,
Oh, I
there he
see.
goes.
I see.
There he
Yeah.
goes.
Oh yeah,
There
I
he
see.
goes.
I see.
There he goes.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright.